You know how everyone says, do what you love and the money will follow? And it always sounds great until you're actually trying to pay rent. But the truth is, in 2026, you can actually make money from your hobbies. I'm going to show you a smart, structured, and modern business model where your interests literally become your income. Because in this video, I'm going to break down how to turn any hobby, cooking, makeup, fashion, travel, into digital income streams that actually feel natural to you. If you're new here, my name is Alice Liu. I make videos about online business and entrepreneurship. Pretty much everything I wish someone told me back when I was debt broke, drowning in college, and debt. Back then, I tried every side hustle imaginable and nothing worked until I realized something so simple. I had been doing it all wrong. I have been getting caught up in trends, jumping from UGC one week or affiliate marketing the next, or seeing what's the hottest product to sell this week and just trying to sell that. I was pretending instead of being genuine. And I think people could see through that, which is how I realized you make money fastest when you build around who you already are, your personality, your lifestyle, your interests. The more authentic what you're doing feels, no matter what it is, the more people will align with it, which will convert to views, followers, and of course, sales. So what is this business? What am I talking about? Well, I will be talking about a few different business models, and I'll go over the rest of them and how to get them all working together closer to the end. But first, and probably most importantly, I'm talking about dropshipping. The quickest, easiest, lowest risk way to make money online. And I know some of you have heard of it before or tried it, but let me say this. The dropshipping we do is a bit different than what you have heard. And if you haven't heard of dropshipping before, let me quickly go over it. Dropshipping is simply a business model just like retail, where you will hold inventory in your physical storefront or direct to consumer, where the same company produces the product, stores inventory, and ships to customers themselves. Dropshipping is just another type of business model, where you work with a supplier to handle and ship out your products for you. Let me break it down further. Dropshipping is made up of a few parts. Number one, there's the product, what you're selling. Number two, your marketing, how customers are finding your product and where you're advertising. Number three, your supplier, the ones who make and hold your inventory. And number four, of course, the buyer or the customer. So if you're selling a product and advertising by posting on TikTok and Instagram or organically, by the way, you don't need to spend money on ads. And so someone sees your video, they head to your page and click your store link that's in your bio. And then when someone purchases a product from your site, instead of you needing to go to your storage unit and grab it, then package it all up, take it to the post office and ship it like the DTC model, your supplier do it all for you. They ship it directly to the customers on your behalf. And it requires little to no upfront investment, since you don't pay for the cost of the product until after someone buys, and your supplier handles the rest. In fact, when you go onto Walmart's website and order a couch or a bed frame, that is dropshipping too. Those products are not held in a Walmart and someone goes and take it off the shelf. They're sitting in a warehouse ready to ship, possibly made by a different vendor. It is the same concept. And it is a great entry-level business model, not only because it involves very minimum startup capital, but also can be done solely from your laptop and your phone. You don't need a big team of workers. You can do it all on your own. And once you get it up and running, the business can run on its own, and all you need to do is post a few TikToks per day. So dropshipping sounds great and all, but how do I do it? And what does that have to do with my hobbies? Well, let me get into that. When I first started dropshipping, I was trying to find products that would do well analytically, but I had no idea where to start. So I would just scroll mindlessly through products that had already done well and just copy what was currently working or trending. I was doing everything I thought was right. I watched the best products of the summer videos and I picked what I was told was the hottest product. I started posting, but nothing. And I was quickly getting burnt out from posting and getting no results until something just clicked. I had to stop jumping from trend to trend, stop listening to what some random guru in a rental Lambo was telling me, and lean into things that I actually liked and had a passion for. And suddenly, creating content didn't feel like a chore. It was something I was excited to do. There was finally a spark behind it. I knew what to film because I knew what I wanted to watch. Because if you're selling from an authentic place, your customers can feel that. And so that's when everything changed. That's why I wanted to show you how to do that for yourself. So the first step is, of course, just deciding on what you're going to sell. What is your hobby? What are you interested in or passionate about? What do you have access to that you can use? For example, it would be pretty hard to sell dog toys if you don't have a dog. So you need to essentially work with what you have, especially when starting out. For this example, our hobby will be makeup, skincare, glam. So after we have chosen our hobby or niche, we'll need to find the right supplier. And finding the right supplier is very important because if your supplier is shipping things out late or products are getting broken during delivery, your customers will get frustrated and never come back. So it is crucial that you take this part seriously. After all, they are a huge part of your dropshipping business. I would personally suggest AutoDS. In my opinion, this is the best supplier platform to find your product. And they offer a 30-day trial just for $1. AutoDS is essentially a platform that has tons of products and a huge network of warehouses and supplier contacts. So when you add your product to your store, they will find the fastest and most reliable fulfillment method for you. I've used them for so long and for so many products, and it has always been very smooth. Customers are happy when they get their product, and I definitely think these guys play a huge part in that. And everything is automated by them. You don't have to lift a finger after you connect your store and import the product, which is done as easy as just clicking here, connecting your Shopify, and boom, your store is connected. Now, when you find a product you like, just click right here to import your product and go to the drafts right here and import it to your store. So I usually just look through and try to find a product that aligns with the niche that I'm interested in. Another thing I love about AutoDS is the Ad Spy tool. Click over here at TikTok Spy and you can see all of these videos and their engagement analytics. This is a great way to know what is currently going viral, what are some of the winning angles and hooks to use in your videos, but that's not all. You have access to all these competitor scouting features, the profit margins of your competitors, as well as trend forecasting and things that other platforms simply don't allow you to see. So take some time to explore their website for yourself and find a few products you like. Then once you have a few product options, you can also cross-reference how well they perform by searching them up on TikTok to see if there already is a store selling the same product or a similar product. But don't be scared off. That is proof that the product works, and a whole account full of inspo videos for you to recreate in your style. This can actually be very helpful when looking for content ideas. Now, if there are a whole bunch of accounts selling the same things, you may want to pivot to a different marketing angle or a product. But the market is huge, and in my experience, there's room for everybody if done the correct way. So now that we have chosen our product, you, of course, need to create a website on Shopify. I have an entire tutorial on how to build out an amazing, high-converting website with AI on my page, so I won't go too into detail on that in this video. But you can find the link to build your store and my free tutorial video in the description down below. Now for the marketing, content. You're going to create a TikTok and Instagram account for your store or brand and begin to post on there to bring traffic to your website. But remember what I was saying about how I used to jump from trend to trend, selling what I thought should work? But no, you don't monetize your hobby by selling some random product and begging for clicks. You monetize it by becoming the person who enjoys that hobby publicly. And it's easier to do that when you have a real interest in what you're selling, because that allows you to get creative in ways that someone without that interest or passion wouldn't be able to do. Think about it. If you're into working out, you can film yourself taking one of your classes or at the gym using the fitness products you're selling. Or if you're a runner with a super fast pace, you can take out your phone and film your heart rate tracker product. You know what I mean? Someone that doesn't work out won't be able to just go into a gym and look like a bodybuilder that people will listen to. But if you do, take advantage of these things. If you love skincare, you can sell or recommend skincare tools all while doing your bedtime routine or putting on a makeup look about to go out. And if you look amazing, odds are people will want to look like you too. See what I mean? Because people don't buy products, they buy identity. They buy how they want to feel. And now that we know what to post, the most important thing is staying consistent. You need to work hard, especially at first, to establish that online presence. You should be posting 3 to 4 times a day. You need to create engaging content that people will watch, comment, like, and so TikTok will keep pushing your content out. Do that for a couple weeks, posting and refining your content, and I'm sure you'll build a highly engaged audience. You don't need to fake anything. You just record your hobby with the product in the shop. If you use your real lifestyle as the storyline, your audience will trust you instantly. But that isn't the only way to cash in on your hobby in 2026. There are more business methods beyond dropshipping that can still work insanely well in the new year. And the key, like I mentioned at the start of this video, is using all of them together. From YouTube monetization to digital products, Amazon storefronts, and more. When you have all these businesses are running and working together, there's practically no money left on the table. For example, now that you're posting content for your store, you can monetize it on YouTube, reposting your TikToks into shorts, and getting paid with YouTube AdSense. Or let's say you're in the gym niche. Once people start buying your product and watching your content, people begin commenting or asking for more tips and tricks that you have. You can set up an Amazon storefront with different supplements, protein powders, or creatine, and share those links inside your social media bios, alongside with your dropshipping products. So when people go into your bio, no matter what they click, you will make money off of it. Another example is that maybe you're into cooking, you can have a dropshipping store selling cooking gadgets that you use in your short form on TikTok and Instagram, but also in your POV cooking channel on YouTube, reposting your TikToks into YouTube Shorts, and on top of that, you'll have an Amazon storefront with other kitchen appliances that you get commissions on, and you're selling a digital recipe book. If you want a good real example, check out that girl Eva. She does fitness, content, and has a dropshipping store selling this Pilates board. You have complete freedom and opportunity to build out something exactly like this in the new year. And once you do, your bank account will thank you. If you do any hobby consistently, fitness, crafts, journaling, thrifting, film it. People love watching someone improve, learn, or just doing something aesthetic. And once you have consistent content, you can add brand deals to work with brands with bigger budgets and reinvest into your business. And get creative because some other monetization opportunities are unique to certain niches. For example, if your hobby is more artsy, like fashion, you can dropship on Depop. Same as regular dropshipping, but set up on Depop. When someone buys from you, you take their shipping info and order a product to their address. This is great for people interested in curating a vibe that pairs with their social media, like a shop my closet sort of thing. There are also plenty of ways to sell your artsy hobby on Etsy. If you're more into digital illustrations or making logos, you can post on there. And then have a YouTube channel filming you draw and edit, and then a dropshipping storefront selling equipment, and a Patreon giving lessons. The list goes on, and you can see how easily these opportunities can snowball and scale when you use these business methods together. The point is, in 2026, the age of the internet, you can monetize your passion creatively in so many ways. I could stay here all day giving you guys business ideas, and the truth is, any hobby can be turned into content, products, and income. And the best part? You don't burn out because it's literally what you'll be doing anyways. If you start today, posting, testing, creating, and learning for the next 90 days, your life will look completely different by spring. And if you want help choosing the right hobby-based product, setting up your store, or mapping out your strategy, that's exactly what I'm here for. Message me on Instagram with the word hobby money and I'll get in touch with you personally. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.